these are fractions that we want to reduce to their lowest term. In another word, if it's in the lowest term, we leave it that way. But if it's not in the lowest term, we try to reduce it to the lowest term. Okay. The first one is 10 over 11. That's number one. And it cannot be reduced further. So it's still 10 over 11. That means you are right. Okay.
Okay, I'm just getting my pencil.
Okay, good. And the second one is 25 over 40. 25 over 40. You made a mistake there. The mistake you made in this one is that you divided this by 5. You now divided this by 4. No. Whatever number you use to divide the numerator, the same number must be used to divide the denominator. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So if I divide this by 5 to give me 5, okay, then I must divide 40 by 5, it's going to give me 8. Is that clear now?
Yeah.
Then number 3, you have 2 over 14. 2 over 14. To reduce it to lowest term, I can divide both of them by 2. So if I divide 2
It,
by 2, I have
it's
1.
two over four that is equal to
Okay, 2 over 4. Yeah, so that means it's 4. Okay, so that is 1. Oh, wait a minute. Where did you say 2 over 4? Check the question. What did the question say?
what my mom wrote.
Oh, that's a mistake. Okay, is that clear?
Yeah.
I'm going to give it to you because you're right by saying 2 over 4 is 1 over 2. But then the real question is 2 over 14 from the question here, okay?
Okay.
And that'll be 1 over 7. If you divide 2 by 2, you have 1. Divide 14 by 2, you have 7. Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 4. Number 4. We have 16 over 64. Yeah, you can decide to divide with any number that can divide both of them. So which number do you want us to use to divide both of them? If we
Um.
use 6, if we use 6, I mean, if we use 2 rather, we have 8 and we have 32, which is your answer, but that's not in the lowest term, okay? Yeah, so you can still take it further by using 2 again. 2 in 8 is what? 4, and 2 in 32 is 16. You can still take it further by using 2 again. 2 in 4, 2, and 2 in 16 is what? 8. Okay? 2 in 16 is 8. Um, we can still take it further by using 2 again. Okay? 2 in 2 is 1, and 2 in 8 is 4. So that means, are you listening to this? That means 16 over 64 equal to 1 over 4. Okay? Because 16 here is 1 and 16 here is 4. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. So, but I will give you this answer since the instruction says equivalent fraction. Otherwise, if you are to reduce it to lowest form, It will not be correct. Okay,
Okay.
good. Then number five. Number five. We have 21 over 70. And you are right. 7 here, 3, 7 here, 10. And that's the lowest form. But the next one, which is number 6, we have 12 over 18. 12, 6 in 12, that is 3, 2, and 6 in 18, that's 3. That's 2 over 3. But you used another number, you used 2, which gives you 6 over 9. It's still okay, but to the lowest form, how many 3 is here? That's 2. How many 3 is 9? That's 3. Or you say 6 in 12 is 2. Please look at this. 6 in 12 gives us 2, and 6 in 18 gives us 3. Okay? Good. Then number 7. So for number 7, we have 45 over 63. We can use 9. 9 here, 5, and 9 in 63 is 7. Okay? 7. So you're right. And number 8, we have 36 over 54. 54. So we can use 18 to divide them. We can use 18 to divide them, okay? So 18 in 36 is 2, 18 in 54 is 3. But if you don't use 18, you're going to use 2, and that will be 18. 2 in 36 is 18, and 2 here is 27, not 28. That's the only reason why you missed this, okay?
Okay.
So because 2 in 5 is 2, remember 1, 2 in 14 is 7, not 8. But I can reduce it further by using 9. 9 in 18, that's 2. And 9 in 27, that's 3. Or 18 in 36 is 2. And 18 in 54 is 3. Is that clear?
Yes.
So next time when I give you anyone to do, always take them to the lowest form. Number 9, we have 63 over 77. So 63 over 77. We can use 7. So 7 in 63 is what? That's 9. And 7 in this is 11. Okay.
Okay.
Then number 10, which is the last one you did, that's 32 over 96. 32 over 96. I can use 32 straight away. But I don't know what you use that gave you 9. If it is 4 you use, it's not supposed to give you 9, it's supposed to give you 8 over 24, okay?
Okay.
Which is 1 over 3. So if I say 32 here, it's 1, and 32 in 96, that is 3. So which is 1 over 3. So out of the 10, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got 6 over 10. What you're going to do is to write down your corrections, okay? The ones you missed.
Which one is the one that I missed?
Oh, you missed number. Let me put it there. You missed this one, okay? Which is gonna be this one. Then you missed number. What else it is? This 36 over 54. Where is it? This one. And this 63 over whatever. Then the last one, which is 32. Yes. So write down those corrections. Then you will do the remaining for me as classwork now. But make sure you leave your answer in the lowest form. Okay,
Okay.
right. Okay, so these questions says we should reduce to lowest term. So look at the first one. We have, what do we have there? 24 over what?
24 over 72.
So what number can divide both of them? I can use 2. 2 in 2 gives me 1, and 2 in 4 gives me 2, right?
Yes.
That's 12. 2 in 7 is what? That's 3, right?
Yes.
Remainder 1. 2 in 12 is what? 6. This is not the lowest form. It said lowest form, so I keep reducing it, okay?
Okay.
2 in 12 is what? 6. 2 in 3, 1, remainder 1. 2 in 16, 8. Do you understand this?
Yes.
2 in 6 is what? 3. And 2 in 18 is what? 9. Can 2 go again? No. Only 3, okay?
Okay.
How many 3 is in 3? 1. 3 in 9 is 3. So can anything divide them again? No.
Um,
Nothing. Because nothing will divide 1, okay? Is this clear to you?
kind of.
Okay, try to explain it to me if it's clear.
Um,
I used 2 to divide 24, I got 12. Is that clear?
yes.
I used 2 to divide 72, I got 36. Is that clear?
Kind of.
What do you mean? How many 2 is in
Yes.
7? How many 2 is in 7? Count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many 2? 1, 2, 3. Is that clear?
Yes.
What does it remain?
1.
So making 12, yes or no?
Yes.
So how many 2 in 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see the 6?
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Then 12 again. How many 2? That is 6. Yes or no? Yes or no? How many 2 is in 12? That is 6. Yes or no?
Um,
How many 2 will you see in 12? 2 times what? Give me 12. 2 times 6, right?
yes.
So how many 2 is in 36? Count 3 first. How many 2? Only 1. Can you see the 1?
Yes.
Then remainder what?
Remainder 1.
Which makes 16. How many 2 is 16? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you see the 8?
Yes.
So 2 in 36 gives me 18, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let me try to cross all of these out and see. Okay, let me remove all this. So because it's still not in the lowest form, then I still have to divide further, okay?
Okay.
So if I say, how many 2 can go in 6? Tell me that. How many 2 is in 6?
Mm,
Count 6 and check how many 2s are there.
3.
Yeah, can you see the 3?
Yes.
So how many 2s are in 18?
9.
9. Can you see the 9?
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Now, 2 cannot go again. Okay?
Okay.
Then I use 3. How many 3 is in 3?
1.
1. Now, how many 3 is in 9?
3.
Yeah, so now you understood how I got the answer, right?
Yes.
Did you understand now?
Yes.
Okay, let's look at the second one. 24 over 64. I need to divide. How many 2 will go in 24? 2 in 2 is 1, right?
Yes.
And 2 in 4 is 2. That's 12. How many 2 will go in 64? 2 in 3 in 6 is 3. And 2 in 4 is 2, right?
Yes.
But is that the lowest form?
No.
Aha, so I have to divide further, right?
Yes.
So let me see. 2 can still divide them because they're both even numbers, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see. How many 2 is in 12? Check that and tell me. Yeah?
6.
6. Then how many 2 is in 32? Just check 2 in 3. How many 2 is in 3?
Wait, do you have to go into 2?
In 32. How many 2 in 32? But I said you can check it one by one. How many 2 is in 3?
Um,
3. 3. How many 2 will you see there?
16.
Okay, it's 16, right? In 32. Fine. I was saying you can divide it one by one. How many 2 is in 3? That's 1. Remainder 1. How many 2 in 12? That's 6. So is this the lowest form?
No.
So what can still divide them? 2 can still divide them. So how many 2 in 6?
3.
3. Okay.
Yeah.
Then how many 2 in 16?
8.
8. So can we divide them further? There is no number that is common to them, okay?
Okay.
So that's the lowest form. That's what you have to do. So let me do the next one. Number 3, 40 over 44. 2 in 40 is 20, and 2 in 44 is 22. 2 can still divide. 2 in 20 is 10. And 2 in 22 is 11. So this can go further. This is the lowest form. Okay?
Okay.
Then let me do number 4 before I ask you to do the remaining as classroom. 18 over 30. 2 in 18 is 9. 2 in 30 is 15. 2 cannot go again because they are odd numbers. 3 can divide. 3 in 9 is 3, and 3 in 15 is 5, and nothing can divide them again. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so write down these um, examples, okay? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Once you finish writing them, you let me know.
I
I'll try to explain the number 1 again.
thank you.
I mean, can you explain number 1 again?
Um, I'm not sure.
Number 1. Explain how I got the answer from the beginning to the end of the answer number 1. Yeah, try. Try.
So question number 1 says 24 over 72. So you divide it, and then your answer is 12 um uh, over 6. I mean 36. And then you equal it again, and then you get 6 over 18. Then you equal again, then you get 3 over 9. Then you equal again, then you get 1 over 3.
Wait, just like I explained to you. I said you didn't mention what I used in dividing at each stage. Though you tried, you know it's division, and you know it's going to be equal to all of those numbers, all of the fractions. So, can you try again now, mentioning what I used to divide in each stage? Like this. I'm going to explain number 1. I want you to listen so that you'll be able to explain number 2 or 3 or 4. For number 1, said For number 1, it said 24 over 72. So 24 divided by 2 gives me 12, okay? 24 divided by 2 gives me 12, okay?
Okay.
And 72 divided by 2 gives me 36. So since it is still divisible by a common number, or a common factor, then I keep dividing by 2 again. 12 divided by 2 gives me 6, and 36 divided by 2 gives me 18. 2 can still divide both of them. 6 divided by 2 gives me 3, and 18 divided by 2 gives me 9. But at this stage, 2 can no longer divide because they are odd numbers, okay? 3 and 9 are odd numbers, okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
So I now used 3 to divide. 3 divided by 3 gives me 1, and 9 divided by 3 gives me 3. Is that clear to you now?
Yes.
The second one, let me explain number 2. Explain number 2. 24 over 64. 24 divided by 2 gives me 12. 64 divided by 2 gives me 32. Is that clear?
Yes.
2 can still divide them. 12 divided by 2 gives me 6. 32 divided by 2 gives me 16. 6 divided by 2 again gives me 3. And 16 divided by 2 gives me 8. And nothing is common factor that can divide them again. Only 1, but 1 doesn't change their value. And 40 over 44. So 40 divided by 2 gives me 20. 44 divided by 2 gives me 22. 20 divided by 2 gives me 10. 22 divided by 2 gives me 11. So that is 10 over 11, which I cannot divide further. with any common factor bigger than 1. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Can you try to explain the last one? What did I use in dividing them? And how did I get to 3 over 5? Try. Yeah?
Yes.
Yes, try. Try to explain the last one to me.
Mm,
Yes? Can you try to explain number 4? Yeah, try. 18 over 30. How did it become 9 over 15? And how did it become 3 over 5? Explain.
mm,
18 divided by what gives 9? And 30 divided by what gives 15?
um, I'm not really sure.
18 divided by 2 gives 9. Say that, let me hear you.
18 divided by 2 gives us 9.
Then 30 divided by 2 gives 15. Okay?
30 divided by 2 gives us 15.
So what will you divide 9 with to get 3? That's 9 divided by 3 gives me 3, and 15 divided by 3 gives me 5. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So you must look for a number that can divide the two of them. If there is no number, then you can divide further. Like 3 over 5, no number greater than 1 can divide both of them. So we leave it that way. Okay? So you will be able to do your assignment, right?
And which is my assignment?
5 to 10.
Are you going to send it to my mom?
Yes, I'm going to send to you more. Okay.
Okay.
So this is going to be the homework. You're going to submit it tomorrow. You know, you have class by 8 a.m. tomorrow, right?
Okay.
Your sister has a class by 7 a.m. So,
By 7.
yeah, she has a class by 7 a.m., 7 to 8, while yours is 8 to 9, okay? All right. Did you enjoy today's class anyway? Hmm. Annabelle, did you enjoy today's class?
Yes.
You've been doing lots of division mentally, right?
Yeah, but I'm not really good at division.
And that's why we have to do more of them, okay?
Okay.
We have to do more of them so that we can get good at them. Then it's going to help you later in math, okay? And that's where we'll be running up for today. Is that clear?